Hello everybody, this is Michelle Litwiller. It is Wednesday, December 5th, 2018, and I am here to do my weekly Facebook Live. It is currently 5:30 p.m. and I know I normally come to you at 8 o'clock, but I have a card class tonight. Actually, I don't have a card class. I have a framed art class tonight, and you can see it over here. It's ready to go. And so I didn't want to miss this week, so I just thought I would hop on a little bit early to show you a really cute and simple gift that you can make for people in your life. So we will get to that. You can literally whip a bunch of these out very, very fast. Real quickly though, I did want to share with you, there is a new host code for the month of December. Happy December. Christmas is coming. So if you want to place any orders, and I share this because today Stampin Up released their end of year sale. So there's a bunch of products that are retiring out of the holiday catalog. So and several items are discounted and on clearance. So you can shop online, and you can use that host code if you would like, because there's some really great deals. So we're gonna make a post-it note holder. I'm gonna show you. It's super cute and simple, and I'm gonna show you how I did that. So let's switch the camera, and we will get started. Here we go. My candy canes are going to be in the way. I am, okay, so this is my gift, my post-it note holder. And these post-it notes I just bought off of Amazon. In fact, I need to grab the package. I bought them on Amazon because I didn't want yellow or pink. I wanted like a crumb cake, a craft color. So I went on Amazon, and you can find almost anything you need on there. So I got my post-it notes. And by the way, this is a project that we will be making at my Santa's workshop on December 10th. So if any of you are local or within driving distance, on December 10th is Santa's workshop, and you get to come and make 6 different stocking stuffer, gift giving ideas, and this is going to be one of them. So you need a post-it note holder. The next thing you need is some chipboard. So this is just really heavy board, and where I got this from is it comes in our designer series paper, the 12 by 12. Like usually the specialty, this is the backing of that. So I always save that, and then I can use it on projects. So it's really heavy. So I just cut this on my paper cutter. Now I don't have, not my just normal paper trimmer. I have like an actual cutter. So you can do one at a time. And I cut this down to 3.5 by 3.5 because the post-it note holder is 3 by 3. So I want a little bit of an edge. You're going to want to use, this is the only time I really like to use the Tombow multi-purpose liquid glue. And then you're going to pick your designer series paper. Now I picked I believe this is the Festive Farmhouse that is going to be retiring. It's in the holiday catalog. That suite has been so cute. And you're going to apply this all over the back. And when I get to the edge, I don't want it to ooze out, so I'm just going to do like little circular motion so I get it to the edge, but I don't go over, and get this all glued up. And then this just goes on here, and it goes on. I see a comment about where I am. I am located in Davison, Michigan, and I do offer some very fun events. If you can't make it to a card class, me and my upline Rhonda Wade, we do weekend craft retreats in Lansing, and we have people that come from out of state. This summer we had somebody come from Alaska. They come from you know, Kentucky, Ohio, Indiana. We have them come from all over New York. So, and then I do 12-hour retreats and bingo events and all kinds of fun stuff. So we do have people that do travel to our stuff. So, yeah, so I stuck this down. If you ever have any questions about my events, just let me know. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is you can clip this down like with a big binder clip, but that's not very pretty. Now in the past I have taken designer series paper and wrapped it and made it pretty, but what I'm going to be using is a Stampin' Up clip. So I'm going to actually glue the backing of this down as well. And I will say too that Santa's Workshop is very popular. In fact, on December 10th, if you go to my website, Owl Star Stampers, and you click on my classes, there's 3 separate times because it always sells out. So this year I thought I would offer 3 times to get as many people in as they would like. So, okay, we're going to just stick that down. And then actually, I got a little bit too much glue. You're going to want to let that set. And what you can do while it's gluing to the board, or you can use these clips to clip it down. Don't forget to share this video too so other people can watch us. And I didn't forget, I have a package of red rhinestones to give away from last week, and I just forgot to put the numbers in to pick a winner. So I will do that still and send the winner the red rhinestones. So to decorate this, I have our burlap ribbon, and I'm just tying it in a knot, just like that. And I'm just going to trim the end off. And then I'm going to take some of this cherry cobbler. This is the Farmhouse twine, and I'm going to make a bow. And you guys, this is, I've made these before in all different fun colors and with fun Post-it notes. And we will trim the ends here. I have these ginormous scissors. Like all of my Stampin' Up snips are like totally missing. Yes, that's why I knew I wanted to use this paper. So that's why I searched for this color of Post-it notes, because I knew that like my local store would not have 30 or to 40 packages of them, or I didn't think. So now I'm just taking a mini glue dot and I'm sticking the bow on top of the burlap, just like that. And then I have, I couldn't find our current gold clips, so I have, these are Stampin' Up. They were on the clearance rack. I would use the gold clips because it's like a solid piece right here. It's easier to stick this on. But I'm going to go ahead and remove this now that it's had a little bit of time to dry. And then this is just going to go up here just for a little decoration. Or you could like hang it next to your computer at work or in your office. And then this piece right here, I'm going to put a couple of mini glue dots behind it. And we will stick that to the clip, just like that. And there you have a cute little Post-it note gift that you could give, because who doesn't need little Post-it notes to give away, you know, for a gift. So there's 2 different patterns of paper using the craft ones. So you can let me know what you think about these Post-it holders, if you've ever made any, if you've ever used the chipboard that comes with your designer series paper. There is a purpose that you can use for it, and just with a few supplies and some liquid glue and some embellishments, you can make something sweet and simple to give this holiday season. Okay, let me see. I can't see any comments right now, so if anyone has any questions about this, let me know, or about our online sale, the year-end closeout that's going on. Let me know about that too. Or you can go to my online store if you want to grab anything before it sells out. It is all while supplies last. And so they can't guarantee anything. So get it while you can. If you have any questions about ordering, sometimes our system is not user friendly. You can just message me or email me or text me, and I can totally help you out. And I hope that you've enjoyed this cute little Post-it note. And if you're local and you're not signed up for the Santa's Workshop, you can go to the website up in the corner and you can sign up. I think the one class is pretty much full or sold out, but there's a few spots in the other ones. So have a good night and evening, and I will be back next Wednesday at, I think, my regular time. So I'll see you all then. Have a great night. Bye.